Hello students, Maths Part 2, Lesson number 7, Coordinate Geometry. Today, let us learn equation of lines parallel to the x-axis and y-axis. For this, on a graph paper, let us plot some point. For example, A 5, 4. 5, 4 means x coordinate is 5 and y coordinate is 4. So, this point is A 5, 4. Second point is B 2, 4. That means x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is 4. So here it is the point B 2, 4. Third point is C minus 2, 4. Means x coordinate is minus 2 and y coordinate is 4. So here it is point C minus 2, 4. Third point is D minus 4, 4. X coordinate is minus 4, y coordinate is 4. So here it is point D minus 4, 4. Point E 0, 4. X coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 4. So here it is point E 0, 4. So these are some points. If you observe these points, then you can notice that the y coordinate of all the points is same. Observe this y coordinate of all the points is same. And if we observe these points, all these points are collinear. If we plot or we draw a line passing through these points, then this line is parallel to x-axis. And so the equation of this line, which is parallel to x-axis and at a distance of 4 units from x-axis, its equation is y is equal to 4. So the equation of line parallel to x-axis is in the form of y is equal to b. b म्हणजे अशी किंमत की जी y axis वरच्या जो पॉइंट मधून लाइन पास होते तो पॉइंट. So for this line the equation is y is equal to 4. So equation of line parallel to x-axis is in the form of y is equal to b. Now let us plot some another points. For example, p minus 4, 3. Minus 4, 3 means it is in third quadrant. It is in second quadrant. Minus 4, 3. So this point is p minus 4, 3. Now q minus 4, 0. Here. Q minus 4, 0. R minus 4, 2. Minus 4, minus 2. That means it is in third quadrant. Minus 4, minus 2. So here it is point R minus 4, minus 2. S minus 4, minus 4. Minus 4. X coordinate, y coordinate is also minus 4. Now again, if we observe these points, then we can say that x coordinate of each point is same. It is minus 4. And if we draw a line passing through these points, then this line is parallel to y-axis. And therefore, the equation of this line is, याचा x coordinate minus 4 आहे. And therefore, its equation is x is equal to minus 4. So the equation of line parallel to y-axis is in the form of x is equal to a. a म्हणजे x coordinate वरचा तो पॉइंट ज्याच्यामधून ती लाइन पास होते. जर आपण x axis वर बघितलं तर x axis वरचा y coordinate हा 0 असतो. That means the y coordinate of every point on x axis. x axis वर कुठलाही पॉइंट घेतला आपण तरी त्याचा y coordinate 0 असतो. And therefore the equation of x axis is y is equal to 0. त्याचप्रमाणे y axis वर कुठलाही पॉइंट घेतला आपण तर त्याचा x coordinate हा नेहमी 0 असतो. आणि म्हणून y axis चे इक्वेशन आपल्याला मिळतं x is equal to 0. मग इथे आपण काय काय इम्पॉर्टंट पॉइंट्स बघितले ते एकदा आपण रिवाइज करूया. First one, the equation of a line parallel to x-axis is in the form y is equal to b. Second point, the equation of a line parallel to y-axis is in the form x is equal to a. y-axis ला parallel असेल तर तिचं equation येईल x is equal to a. the y coordinate of every point on the x-axis is 0. Conversely, every point whose y coordinate is 0 is on the x-axis, and therefore the equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. The x coordinate of every point on the y-axis is 0. Conversely, every point whose x coordinate is 0 is on the y-axis. Therefore, the equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0.